Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Fusion headlight flickering issue and what could be causing it. Headlight flickering in the Ford Fusion is commonly described as headlights dimming and brightening repeatedly, flickering while driving or idling, or changing intensity when electrical loads increase, such as using the air conditioning or power accessories. Reviewed electrical system documentation and charging system design information indicate that headlight flickering can occur across multiple Ford Fusion model years, depending on electrical architecture, charging behavior, and component condition. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves charging system behavior. Irregular alternator output or voltage regulation can cause fluctuations in electrical supply, which may result in headlights flickering under certain conditions. Another confirmed cause relates to battery condition. A weak or aging battery may struggle to stabilize voltage, especially during changes in engine speed or electrical demand, leading to visible light fluctuation. Electrical connections and grounding integrity are also documented factors. Loose, corroded, or damaged wiring and ground points can create intermittent voltage drops that affect headlight performance. Headlight control modules or lighting system control logic are another verified consideration. In some configurations, electronic control of exterior lighting can cause flickering if the system detects abnormal input or operating conditions. Electrical load variation is an additional confirmed aspect. Sudden changes in power demand from other vehicle systems may temporarily affect voltage distribution, making flickering more noticeable at idle or low engine speeds. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior electrical repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include testing alternator output and voltage regulation, checking battery health, inspecting electrical connections and grounds, scanning for lighting or charging system-related fault codes, and verifying proper operation of lighting control components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and electrical system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Fusion headlight flickering is typically associated with charging system irregularities, battery condition issues, wiring or grounding concerns, lighting control behavior, or electrical load variation. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and operating conditions, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.